Hey friends, are you ready to get ready with me? It's BOGO week and I want to show you how I get ready every day with everything in here. Before I get started, I really want to talk about the foundation that I use, and it's not that kind of foundation. It's the digestive foundation. So important for this beautiful skin. So if you want beautiful skin too, this is what I use and you can be just like me. You need digestive enzymes. This is really important for breaking down your food so it digests properly, just so that your skin can glow, you know? The other thing that I take, probiotics every day. These two every morning on an empty stomach with my water from a Stanley. Super important. Now, because I don't find myself using makeup very often as a mom of 5 children, this is what I do instead. I take my jojoba oil, organic, and I put a few drops in my hand, and then I just gently massage it on my face. Now you can start your morning with gua sha, but it's absolutely not essential to get beautiful skin like this, okay? Before I move into my foundation, I need concealer. The best concealer on the market is lavender oil. Now make sure you put it under your eyes and on any blemishes that you might find on your delicate skin. If you struggle with those black circle things under your eye, probably it's because you need to work on your digestive system a little bit more. You're not absorbing nutrients, or maybe you have some toxicity, but you got to dress that internally, not just with your concealer, all right? This concealer is already diluted, so it's really easy to just apply whatever I need. We need a base foundation, not the digestive foundation, like a skin foundation, to begin applying all the beautiful things to our face. Whoever thought that trees were so important to the health of your skin? But this tree, cedar wood, is so good. All you have to do is open the bottle. All you need is 1 drop. One. And then you mix it in your hands and gently apply. I am no professional on skincare, but when I use cedarwood, I feel like I'm walking through a forest and it just calms me immediately. And that is the best way to start the day, for reals. Now, I'm just taking these things, they're called my fingers, and just massage into the face. Now, like I said, you can use gua sha, but I'm just gonna use these things, my fingers. And you can use your knuckles as well. Massage, move the fluids. If you haven't heard of lymphatic drainage yet, you really need to go learn about that. Now it's time for my highlighter. The thing about highlighter that most people don't understand is that it takes the darker things to make the lighter things shine better. So that's why I like to use vetiver, because I need this rooty grounding oil to really help me go into the depths of my soul and then rise out and shine like the sun. To use your highlighter, all you're gonna have to do is go around the edges of your face, maybe a little here, a little there, of course down the nose, and of course on the jawline. Oh, don't forget right here below the ear. This is where you carry so much tension, and vetiver is amazing for relaxing the body and reducing tension. All you have to do again is hit these reflex points with your fingers and then massage it in gently. Make sure you get down the nose. Oh, and then by the ears and then on the jaw. Rub it in properly. Again, you can use gua sha, but you don't have to. You can use your fingers. Now for the blush. Did you know that your sinuses are really important? And that when you use an oil like my hands are oily. There you go. When you use an oil like Digestive and you roll that over your sinuses, it is amazing for removing that tension in your sinuses. So rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Now, if you have those pesky seasonal things that make your nose stuffy, just take your knuckles with this Digestive and massage your sinuses with it. And you will find yourself flowing in a river of snot that is so relaxing. So much tension in your facial extremities. Now look at that. Look at that. Blush, the best blush ever. Massaging your skin with your fingers. Now for the neck. Let's not forget the neck. This is so underrated, which is why I use for my neck spearmint oil. You don't need very much, just a drop, maybe 3, and you massage it into your neck. The reason we do this is we want to move the lymph down. This is called your lymphatic drain points, and you need to move that fluid off your face and down there, all right? Down, down, down. Down. By the way, spearmint is amazing for helping support our voice. So if you feel like you are needing that vocal support to just express your emotions and speak your truth, this is essential to your daily routine. As a mom of 5 kids, sometimes I need a little energy boost to start the day. And instead of using caffeine, this is what I use. I take my MetaPower and I put a couple drops right under my tongue. Cinnamon, grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger. It's amazing. Just need a little swig. And I know that things can get tough throughout the day and I need to stay chill. So I have a special chill pill that I use every day. It is called Serenity. I need serenity like everybody needs the sun. This is what serenity looks like. This is what you need. This is your natural chill pill. I'm ready for the day. I hope you've enjoyed this. Now you know how to get ready every day using the BOGO box.